You are ready to finally get your spaces organized and keep them that way. Everything you need is right here. You are overwhelmed by stuff and want a more peaceful environment, but you don't know where to begin, so everything stays the same and the stress remains or even grows. Or you even tried to organize, but everything went back to the way it was, so you feel that getting and staying organized will never be a reality for you. It's time to do it right. I'm Terry, author of How to Organize Any Space in 7 Simplified Steps, where I show you how to organize your spaces through to completion in as little as 20 minutes a day. Did you know that we all have an innate organizing style? In my book, I also show you how to set up your systems according to your personal organizing style. The benefits of organizing are life-changing, so I want you to get started today. Click the link below for my freebie, which is pretty much a mini guide to my book, and also because I'm so excited to finally launch my book, I'm offering a ridiculous 35% discount code below. Hurry and get your freebie while it's still available, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can know the moment I upload an organizing video. Comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Happy organizing!